the reason why I just don't want. That's the reason why he doesn't want to give me meds. Because I ain't if I give you medication.
Hella windy in Vegas. We're going to Bass Pro Shop. Vegas Bass Pro Shop. Oh, there goes the big trouts right there. Bluegills, dude. Fat ass bluegills. Carp. Got the sturgeon, bass, largemouth bass, crappie, carp, sturgeon over there, crappie. Striper, and this sucker's big too.
What is that? What's that?
I don't know. Some type of. This guy's probably a 30 pounder, 20 pounder, 20, 30 pounder. That's probably 10 pounder. The fuck is that? Oh, that's a sturgeon? Captain, I was like, dang, they look hella tight. No, look, these ain't it, but what kind of fish is this? Look like a little toss-up. That's like a little trout right there or something. Oh, this is salt water.
I thought it was dead fish.
So it's on the bottom shark.
Oh, that shit ain't dead. That shit is alive. I thought it was a statue.
Oh, a statue?
Yeah.
Boys, they're fucking naughty, dude.
Yep.
Because my daughter, she's like hella mature, you know, right? You could walk up there. You just gotta go park on Arizona side. You gotta walk.
Yeah,
Where's Arizona? That side of it?
Yeah, on the other side of the dam.
You're reminiscing about back in the day of prom.
Yeah.
Charge table gate.
No, 個 charge 個我個容易個周我個容易啊你啊蒙女兒冇家咁 home parties 啊 yeah 周我個容易 prom where they pay per ticket.
Whoa, この道路の顶。Whoa, 可能ได้พืชต่อน้อยได้การสติรู้ It's crazy, dude. Damn, that's a giant slide, man. I don't know where that goes. Có mùi gì, có bóng gì just stuck in the water. Có tả.
Hey, in that tunnel?
No stripers jumping. Oh, is that a boat over there? No.
Wow, Yinska just appeared.
Pokemon? Oh, that's good, man. You're starting to Pokemon. The restroom's all the way on this side. Hả?
We had a good picture about you, man.
Ờ hả? Nên nhóm đầy thôi chỉ trả được có một cuộc.
That we gotta go back and
Accident's on the other side, right?
Yeah, accident's on the other side.
And stop by Rocklin Jump tomorrow at 4 p.m. to jump with everyone's favorite ice cream, courtesy of Party Ever After.
They gotta be bad though because they just
It's right there.
And it just happened like what, 30 minutes ago? You
Ooh,
said?
is it- See that white car right there? Yeah.
Guarantee it's gotta be pretty bad, dude. For them to just straight shut down the road. No.
Well, I hope. Oh, what's on the ground? Glad nobody's in the car. Nobody's in the car.
Trying to hit the pole, dude.
Ooh, nobody died.
Went down it.
Traffic over here on the other side is a standstill.